Neke womo. Ke womwa. Ke wo. Mommy game na. Hey, yeah. Woo! Best. Hey. Let me see. Aya. Man, come and dance. Happy birthday, Mesoma and Emmanuel. Happy birthday, Mesoma and Emmanuel. Mesoma Mesoma is 8 years and Emmanuel is 6 years. Emmanuel, come here. Piano, videos now. Oh. Sorry, I made a mistake. Stand up now. This one now is so I got it from name. It's 9 years, while this one is 7 years. And Ada is 5 years. Good. 975. The same month. So I normally celebrate them the same day because of almost the same month. We targeted the same month. Target and shoot. 18th of September. While he is 9th of September. So you see that God is so wonderful. Yeah. It's not that we like showing, but I believe our coming together will always trigger your family and then trigger other couples to measure up. If your husband is not measuring up, or if your wife is not measuring up, don't bring it up. You can settle it inside. We are not perfect. Are you getting my point? We are not perfect. But one thing that makes us more unique and more beautiful is that at all times, we see it or we think it necessary to be happy no matter how sad we are inside, or no matter how difficult things are to us. We believe that it will be better. And today you can see it's getting better gradually because we put God first. So please, we're not trying to show off. Some people say, they think they show. You not be show. In one way or the other, this show where you call and go touch one family or two family or some family out there, they will learn to measure up. Marriage is for better, for what? There is no better marriage. There is no best marriage. Marriage over there. When I come, but all I'm sure what George, what are you saying? I am ashamed what George. I'm ashamed what George and Ka. How can I tell you? I'm ashamed what George. So much you want to George. You hear whether give my romantic career. Hey, babe, you are near your mama, and then I'll be at the Macana stage. Then I'll be at the Macana stage. Oh, my grandson, them all of us. It's my children's birthday. Happy birthday, not smiling. Happy birthday. Smile. Onyenka. No come close to the door. Onyenka mpamunyem. Ancestors, I need you to boot out here before church. The one they get shape. Now they shape. Munda abro my hair. I dance. I just about Therefor. Hey, you go be care family. Where's okay? Onye mo bi nwa mo wa ha. Onye ka na here biko. Ihe nne moro obara nne. Obara ojo. Obara di liquidated. Eku ma se jo obara di ma sare. Nna m gwa zini ihe di jo obara ngwa. Oya. Atana ngwa.